weekend. Sleeping till the evening. I don't like you. Let's get secrets. Dying just to keep it. Lying for no reason. Creeping on the weekend. Let's get secrets.
What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sade. Today's tutorial is with the FREETRESS Pre-Fluffed Poppin Twist. I have 16 inches. Welcome to the Bathroom Chronicles, because I'm about to show you guys a $25 hairstyle. I purchased 3 packs of hair and I only used 2.5 packs to complete this hairstyle. Now I want to show you guys the products that I will be using. I know I have done this style numerous times on my channel, but I wanted to give FREETRESS brand a shot. Before I start my twist, I like to section off my hair and work on one section at a time. And I like to add just a little bit of leave-in conditioner to my hair just to lock in that moisture. And then I go right into my twist. Now let me just tell you, sis, I got that Kunta Kinte hair, okay? That true 4C hair, but that's okay, because if it ain't kinky, I don't want it, okay? I always like to use the Shine and Jam product because I like how it holds my twist, and it just works well for my hair, so I always use it in my twist tutorials. I want to talk to you guys about the strands of hair. When it comes to using twisting hair, you will notice a difference in the strands. So you can see that I have 2 strands of hair. One looks fluffier than the other. Now, if the strand of hair is fluffy, I will separate it in half because I don't like a lot of hair on my head. And if the strand is thin, I will use 2 strands of hair. And I wanted to make a mention of that because I had a young lady comment on a previous twist tutorial and she asked me about that. She said, did you use 1 piece per twist or did you separate it? And I responded to her and told her that I will make a mention of that in my next tutorial because that was a great comment. I noticed this hair is not as fluffy as the Ultra Expressions twisting hair. That's perfect for me because I'm in the gym and I want something light. Even the fluffier strands within the FREETRESS hair is not as full as the strands within the Ultra Expressions twisting hair. So with that being said, if you have thin hair or if you are looking for a fuller look, go with the Ultra Expressions twisting hair. I've done those tutorials before, so you can check it out on my channel. And ladies, this video is not sponsored. I'm being completely honest with y'all. I will always be completely honest with y'all, even if the video was sponsored. Again, if you have thin hair or if you're looking for a fuller look, go with the Ultra Expressions twisting hair. I have those tutorials on my channel. If you are looking for something light and you are in the gym like me, or you just don't like a lot of hair on your head, try this hair. I promise you will love it. So I did a little research on this hair, y'all. It's pre-fluffed, pre-stretched, tangle free, and I must say it is tangle free, easily separated. It also blends seamlessly with your natural hair, and I must agree, it looks good with my natural hair. Okay, you got the hair herring. The twist twisting, baby. Okay, it's giving long hair don't care. My husband know when I get in that bathroom, he ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing when I come out. Okay, and I will say that when you are using this hair, you can create butterfly locks, distress locks, and whatever else you want to create. Once again, ladies, you will notice a difference in the strands of hair. If you want fuller twists, use 2 strands of hair. And if you don't want your twist to be as full, just separate 1 strand of hair. And when it comes to my twist, I like to cross over my strands towards the beginning of the hair so I can make my twist look longer. By the way, ladies, if you are finding value in this video, hit the like button so YouTube can push this video out to a larger audience. Also, if you love health and beauty content, subscribe to my channel and join the community. I'm on my second twist. I started off with a braid and then went straight into twisting counterclockwise. So I like to twist counterclockwise and then twist over. If you just go straight into twisting, your twist will be loose. For me, I like for my twist to be tight.
Shades on my eyes so you can't see my face. You right behind me trying to keep the pace. Just one more block until I meet in place. I got someone but we ain't been okay. Is it really cheating if it's only for the weekend? Tell me if I'm tweaking, girl, cause we ain't even speaking, girl.
I have been asked before, do you twist to the very end? And the answer is yes. Personally, I think the twist look better when you twist to the end. And I do not dip my twist in hot water. I just use enough product so I can make sure that I can seal those twists, and I just leave it like that. I wanted to step back so you ladies can see my twisting method and then show you how the back is looking. So far, I'm loving what I see. Once again, the twists are light. Now I'm about to repeat the same steps on each side and then in the front. If you do not take any breaks, you can complete this hairstyle within 4 to 6 hours. It all depends on how thick your hair is and how long your hair is. But typically, you can complete this hairstyle within 4 to 6 hours. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know I always take breaks because I can't stay in that bathroom for 4 hours straight. One of those kids gonna come in and say, "Mom, Can I get food? Ma, she hit me. Ma, he hit me. So I have to take breaks, okay? But so far so good. I'm loving what I see. Now I will say I use this BTL Braiding Gel on my twist and it didn't look right. It gave a white pasty look. Normally the white pasty look you'll see on your edges. So what I had to do is pull out my hooded dryer and then sit underneath my dryer for about 30 minutes. And the product baked in my twist and then everything just looked fine. It looked regular. I will say that when it comes to using the BTL gel, mix it. So when I do my edge control, I use a combo of those 3 products. I use the BTL gel, I use the Shine and Gem gel, and then I also use the black gel. I used to use the BTL gel by itself, but it doesn't look right anymore. I see that white pasty look, so I always mix it with the black gel and with the Shine and Gem gel. But when it comes to doing my edges, I don't do those curtains or anything you'll see on YouTube. I just like to slick it down and put on my black strip so I can lay my hair down. I woke up this morning and I noticed that my hair was a little frizzy, and that's because I didn't tie my hair up last night. I was so tired. So anytime that happens, I like to take the Shine and Gem gel and just palm roll my twist, and that is going to help minimize the frizz. My last step is to trim the ends. The ends look 10 times better after you cut those scraggly hairs. All right, ladies, that is it. I'm loving my hairstyle. I will keep this up for the next 4 weeks. Once again, subscribe to my channel if you love health and beauty content, and I will see you on the next Sade TV film. Bye. I'll see you on the next Sade TV film. Oh, that girl cold.
Let's get secret with all the weekend. Sleeping till the evening. I don't like you leaving. Let's get secret.